Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today, another episode for the Mercedes GLC 2017 model. Engine management light on. I don't know what's going on there. We have to check. We'll see the oil level. Yeah, oil bit dark and little bit runny. Look like more diesel there. Yeah, coolant level fine. We'll see what happened with the computer. Engine light on. 261 miles. After that, car will not start. Right, at the moment got the faulty code NOx Sensor 2 bank 1, and there is another faulty code AdBlue consumption is too high. Right, look like to me something not right at AdBlue injector and the NOx sensor. However, too early to comment anything. Next step I am going to underneath and check as usual, underneath checking, and after that I'll come back to you. You can see as usual situation underneath. We already clean injector block. However, now we already clean the injector. Then I'm going to install everything, and after that show you what's going on inside. Next step, I'm going to reset this light and have a look what's going on there. Yeah, NOx sensor light gone now. AdBlue consumption is too high, still remain in this faulty code. Right, going to the special function. We'll see what happened at the dashboard. I'm going to home service function. Yeah, zero message, and we'll see the AdBlue. Right, yeah, here customer told me it won't count, but it's count now, and we'll see the faulty code. Still AdBlue consumption fault still there. I'm going to switch off the car. AdBlue C owner's manual. Right. Okay, anyway, countdown mileage gone. Still is a check AdBlue. Right. Okay. Little bit new thing for me. Right. Right. This faulty code look like to me could be injector, could be wrong AdBlue. With suspect he might be at the wrong AdBlue, or could be AdBlue injector, because I saw AdBlue injector crystallizing. This is the first time I saw this faulty code. Right, I'll took it out the thing, and I'm going to check. .32. Yeah, look like to me this AdBlue okay, not like a great quality, but reasonable. Can't say any fault with the AdBlue. Right, okay, if you want, buy this one and keep it with you. It's very useful for check your AdBlue. Right, okay, this step I'm going to bypass. Again, cannot measure. Right, you can see again service AdBlue, see, cannot measure the level. Right, okay, yeah, now it's came for a 6400, but however I feeling I need to check the AdBlue injector. Okay, NOx sensors, okay, okay, metering successful. Right, yeah, now this faulty code gone. You can see again, read faulty codes, no. Right, still you can see the 6400 thing. Right, yeah, I'm going to switch off and start. You can see service A1 overdue 18 days. Okay, that's the mainly problem to me to all mix up everything, because I saw the oil level too high. Anyway, okay, that's fine now. Everything back to normal now. But however, I'm going to the motorway journey and find out what's going on for the old sensors and NOx sensors, because we have a two problem before, AdBlue metering and NOx. Now we'll see what happened while I on the motorway, could be tomorrow. Right, at the moment I'm going to do the zero the mileage. Yeah, it's 0 now, and I'm going to do 19.8 at the moment. All dashboard clear up, and the filling level of diesel particulate filter 64, basically 6473. Yeah, okay, I'm not too much worried about the filling level. I'm going to the exhaust after treatment, select all, and I'm going to follow this faulty code, because at the moment AdBlue metering 0 according to the computer, but according to the onboard computer, yeah, 6400. Okay, I'm not worried too much for the this one. Right, and also I need to check what happened to the NOx sensors upstream and downstream while I on the motorway. Right, let's go to the motorway. Yeah, you can see now AdBlue metering level around 11. Yeah, it's good. Then I can see the upstream NOx also work fine, but still I can't see downstream figures yet. That's the suspect one for the faulty. Yeah, when I complete another 3-4 miles, I'll come back to you if it work. Yeah, we can clean and reuse. If it not, need to change. Right, just finish Motorway. Then we saw meter readings for the AdBlue went up, and NOx sensor bank 1 sensor 1 or upstream NOx sensor, I saw figures went up and it's reading nicely. But however, sensor 2 or downstream sensor, it's not work at all. I can't see at all any movement, but I feeling this sensor 2 faulty. But however, once I go to the garage again, I'll check the any faulty codes there, and I'll let you know more deeper. But at the moment, dashboard nice and clear. I can't see any warning at the dashboard. Yeah, once I go to the garage, I'll come back to you. Yeah, went to the motorway and came back and draw exactly 19.7 miles. No any funny warning at the dashboard. I'm going to switch off, start, service A overdue, switch off, start, and switch off, ignition on. Right, and I'm going to check with the computer while I on the motorway. I saw the filling level for the DPF went up and came down. That's a good sign. And also I saw the NOx sensor 1 working as should be. NOx sensor 2, I didn't see at all any figures for the NOx sensor 2, and the AdBlue metering went up and down. That's one also the fine. And I'm going to check with onboard computer. Service menu. Yeah, you can see no any warning light at the moment, and the dashboard AdBlue metering 6400, that's fine. And we'll see what happened with the computer. I'm going to take a faulty codes. Yep, see, exactly. I knew this problem still was there, because while I on the motorway, I didn't see any reading for the NOx sensor 2. Right, okay, this is the suggestions for him. Definitely he need a new NOx sensor. Then after that, this problem going to be fine. Okay, if we do the job, I'll upload another video how am I going to change the NOx sensor. If it not, I'm going to hand over to customer as it is, because my job at the moment, diagnostic the problem and inform to him what's the problem and what's going on the car. Now we know from beginning where it came, how it's draw now until now. Anyway, if you need to sign up with our WhatsApp group, link below, you can click that link and join with our WhatsApp group. Then you can ask your question, problem there. Yeah, at the moment that's it. This is Mercedes GLC 2017 model. Yeah, see you in the next video.